Hey guys, it's your girl Shella, PromoSTK. Shella's Creations Way is where I created this. Yes, I created this delicious pork neckbone dressing. Join us while my sister Regina tastes it for the very first time and get her honest opinion. Oh yeah. Hey guys, it's your girl Shella, PromoSTK, Shella's Creations Way, and I have my sister here going to try my new creation, pork neckbone dressing. Now she's going to be tasting it and she's going to let you know her honest opinion.
It's real good. Tastes sort of like mine. But not better than mine. But it's good. It's delicious, y'all.
Oh, you always think you make good dressing.
Yeah, my dressing.
But this is not with chicken and not with turkey. This is with pork.
I don't make mine with chicken. Mine is with turkey necks and chicken gizzards.
Okay. But this is with pork.
It's good. Better than the other one you be making.
I know you're lying because, honey, my dressing be the bomb. My chicken dressing
better
tastes
than the other one you make.
Oh, really?
Yes, it is.
Okay. Okay. And I know my other one's good. All right, y'all. So that's my plate that just dinged because it's time for us to chow down. So you heard it from PromoSTK, Shella's Creations Way. Woo!
2 thumbs up.
All right. That's what's up.